Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula, aka The Enhancer. If it is your first time here, welcome to my channel. And if you are already a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad, welcome back. As y'all already know, my channel is all about all things beauty. That's your hair, your makeup, your fashion, all of that. Today's video is a little bit different. Now, I have brought to you try on hauls, but today's video is all about your accessories. Accessories will take the most plain looking outfit and just bring it to a whole nother level. I have told you all in the past that accessories enhance your outfit. It enhances your look. And I love accessories. Before we get into the video, I want you to just like, comment, subscribe to the channel, click your bell, and if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me at enhanced_beauty. And I have created a new fashion page, so you can follow me on my fashion page at Curvy Girl Style Guide on Instagram. I need to shout out a few boss females that I am actually supporting at the moment. Let me begin with my t-shirt, #enhanced. This is compliments of Mrs. Carla Marshall of Vision 5 Creations. And my lashes, I'm gonna come in a little bit closer so you can see my lashes. These are compliments of Miss April Williams of Lash Lingo. You can check it out right here. Make sure you are following each one of these ladies on Instagram. And the next one is a combination. I have my bundles, which are from Unique Strands and Quality Hair. That's Miss Deja Simon. And then the construction of the unit is Miss Brittany Holt. Make sure you click that blue button and follow each one of the ladies. Now, back to the video. As I stated before, accessories just make everything better. I go by the motto, if you like it, wear it. Let me begin with a couple of fanny packs. This is the belted fanny pack. Actually, these two fanny packs, you can wear them around your waist. If you have on jeans, you can put them through your belt loops and it'll sit like right there on the side. I love wearing fanny packs, especially when I go out somewhere, because I don't have to actually carry anything on my shoulder. I don't want to carry a big bag. This fanny pack here, which is like a cognac color, actually from Walmart, and it was only $12. And then this fanny pack is from Rainbow, and it was $11. Now, I am really into layered necklace look. So when I was in Walmart, I was looking at all the different accessories and I came across these layered necklaces. It's all in one. It looks like several, but it's all in one. This was only $5.88. It's gold. You can't really see the color on the screen. Then when I saw these, I love to wear rings. I love to wear necklaces. I love hats. I just love all the different accessories, but this too was $5.88. Can't beat that. This yellow clutch bag caught my eye because, like I've stated, if you watched any of my other videos, you know this is my color. This year, I keep saying this season, but it doesn't matter because I started off in the spring, then we went to the summer, now we're in the fall, and I am still loving this color. This is the other side. This little tassel is removable. I'll wear this as a crossbody bag. It was only $12. I am a firm believer of it is not what you wear, it is how you wear it. Wherever I see something I like, it can be Family Dollar. It does not matter. It's not about what you are wearing and where it came from. It's all about how you wear it. Remember that. Now, since we are in the fall season, I love scarves. I love animal print, and y'all see it has my color in there. So when I saw the animal print and I saw the pretty colors, especially the yellow, I was like, I need that. Or I don't need it, I just wanted it. It was only $6. And since I'm talking about scarves, let me show you one from last year. I actually used this scarf in a video, but I never actually wore it outside. This scarf here, I fell in love with it. Yes, it kind of puts you in the mind of Burberry, but it's not Burberry, it's Fashion Nova. These two little bralettes, these type of bralettes, usually the ones that I like to get are the ones with the lace or just solid. And let me tell you why. These are great accessories, and I call them an accessory because I like to use them. You know how sometimes you may have a shirt that may open up, or something that, let me just be real for a second, it may be a little too small. It may contain buttons and you can no longer button it. Well, I love throwing these little bralettes underneath, or if you need something to go under something that may be see-through, and some of us cannot go without bras, some of us can't do the strapless bras. So these are great accessories to have just for that. And I got these from Rainbow, and they were actually I think they were 2 for $10, or if you get them separate, they're $6 each. It had several colors, but I always like to go with basic pieces. Basic pieces will take you further. And now, last but never least, my hats. I am a hat girl. I love to wear hats. But I have this thing, I only like to wear my hats, like these kind of hats, when I'm wearing hair. I just like that look better than with my short hair in a hat like this. I got this hat last year from Target. This hat is more like a tan nude color, and this is a little black belt that goes around it. You can actually remove this if you choose to, but I like it, so I'll insert a picture. Show you what it looks like. See that? I love it. Oh my gosh. When I saw this hat, y'all, this hat. Now, I just got this hat a week ago, and I fell in love. I could not leave out of Target without getting this hat. This hat was $19.99. The other hat that I just showed you, it was also $19.99 last season. And then this hat, of course, I need all black. This hat, $19.99. This hat is a little bit different. You see it has the little gold pieces on the side. This one has actually a chocolate brown thin belt that's going around it. Let me show you. What? Look at this hat. Oh my goodness. I love this hat. This is so cute. This is a wool material. I'll insert a picture of this one also. This is also a wool hat. Let me just show you how it fits. Keep it simple, cute, super cute. This will conclude my accessory haul. I hope that you found it very informative. I hope that I helped you out a little bit. Just give you a few little nuggets that may help someone out there. Before you exit out, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you click your bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and definitely don't forget, make sure you share. Sharing means caring. So I will catch each of you in my next video. Adios. Stay popping, YouTube.